Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. I would love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new to my channel so you can get notified the next time I upload. I am doing Vlogmas, which is so much fun, and I've been uploading every single day. And today I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys my winter morning routine. So I just got on winter break from school. My semester just ended and I have like a month off. So this is like my ideal morning routine while I'm off school. It just depends on each day, like when I wake up and everything, because I don't have to be up at a certain time, which is so nice. I'm finally catching up on sleep, but I just wanted to share my morning routine with you guys. I think these are such fun videos to watch and to make, so definitely be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. And as a question of the day, which you guys can answer in the comments, I do respond back to all comments and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. I would love to know what time you wake up on winter break, so let me know in the comments and let's just get right into the video. I'm usually pretty bundled up when my alarm goes off because it's been so cold and I love my snowman blanket, but I just set my alarm for either like 8:30 or 9:30, just depending on the day. And then right when I wake up, I know this is so bad, but I love to go on my phone. I'll check out Snapchat. I'll send my good morning streak picture out to all my friends. You guys can add me on Snapchat if you want. It's just at Kellyprepster, and then I'll scroll through Instagram for a little bit, and then once I feel like I'm finally like awake, I will get out of bed and I just stretch a little bit just to kind of get my morning started. And I will head out to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I love brushing my teeth right when I wake up. And I have been using this Colgate Optic White toothpaste and I absolutely love it. It really does help with whitening your teeth. And I'll just brush my teeth real fast and rinse off my toothbrush and then head back to my room. And one of the things I love to do every single morning is open my blinds, turn my lights on, and just make my bed. This really helps with making your room really clean, but also not getting back into bed, and then I just feel more productive. And then of course I'm going to change out of my PJs and I put on my workout outfit, and I have been into hot yoga lately, so I'm just going to grab a sweatshirt and head out to my car. I have my yoga mat with me, which I'm not going to lie, I just kind of threw that in my car when I was filming this because my hands were so full. And I'm just going to head to the gym. Of course, I have to play some 5 Seconds of Summer while I'm driving there just because it's so good. And after my yoga class, I was sweaty and a hot mess, and I just came home and hopped in the shower, turned on my lights, and decided to blow dry my hair just because it was wet and I needed to get stuff done today. And while I put my makeup on, I love to listen to my Spotify playlist. This is my favorite playlist. It's like all my faves. And I'm just going to put my makeup on, which I have a makeup tutorial on my channel in case you guys want to check it out. And then, of course, got to put my makeup away. And today I decided to wear this super cute Fabletics outfit. It is all from Fabletics. My shoes are Nike. I just think it's so cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching my morning routine. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. And again, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys!